try to do like a regular vlog. Hey, kitty. Look at that, a kitty. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do like a regular type vlog today. Today is Wednesday, December 1st, and this is kind of my first attempt at a real type of vlog. So I just wanted to kind of share a funny story of how I got, you know, just kind of got going on into the YouTube world and into making videos and stuff. And I've been making videos for a lot of years, you know, 5-10 years I've been making videos of just mostly, you know, stuff of my son and stuff like that. See, now I don't even know. Oh, where was I? Anyway, yeah. I've been making videos for a lot of years, but never this. And why? Why did this happen? So why this happened is some of my favorite YouTubers, J Studios, they announced that they'd be doing a giveaway on live.me, and so they wanted all their fans to get live.me. So I got live.me and I was like, oh, you can broadcast. I'm gonna check this out. Check out what this broadcasting is with live.me. And so I get on there and live.me and doing some broadcasts, and you know, some people start coming in and stuff, and then one day this guy named Shawnee Boy comes in, and Shawnee Boy's like, hey, do you have a YouTube? And I'm like, well, yeah, I have a YouTube. And he's like, do you do vlogs? And it's like, no, I don't really do vlogs or anything. Well, then I go and check out his YouTube and his vlogs and stuff like that, and find all these other people that are doing vlogs, and start checking out their vlogs, and I'm like, I'm gonna be a vlogger too. Now, my life doesn't have anything extraordinary to it or anything fancy, you know, like some of these famous YouTubers, you know, they actually do stuff that's exciting. Like, my life is not going to be exciting like that, and I'm fine with that. But anyway, so I start doing videos, and I just do some like travel videos. You can check them all out. I think I've done like maybe 3 type of videos. They're, you know, I call them vlogs, but they're just mostly kind of like a travel vlog or whatnot. And so I did those 3, and I've never done one like this where you just kind of tape your day, you know. So that's kind of what this is, and it's kind of cool because you know, I've met people from all over the world via YouTube now. Sean Blackman Vlogs. I actually talk to that guy on a daily basis. I talk to Sean, you know, on texting, and then sometimes I even call him on and talk to him like that. And we just talk about, you know, what we can do on videos and things like that. And then, you know, there's some other ones that I've been watching that, you know, are kind of lower subscriber types, you know, under 1,000 maybe. Tom Andrews, Kieran C Vlogs, Easy Endeavor, Colin Bloodsworth, and one other guy from Norway, or I can't remember, Norwegian he is, and he's fun to watch too. But anyways, that's kind of that story of why I'm vlogging now, and giving this an attempt. You know, I'm just giving this an attempt, gonna see what happens, and to me it's something fun. To me, this is a hobby. This isn't something to get rich quick or get famous or anything like that. So yeah, now I'm just at work. Finally got some time to just be here by myself. Let's check out the office though. Got a Christmas tree up, got some lights going on there. It's kind of decorative and festive. Yeah, that's work. There's the 2 front desk spots there, and then my back office right there. As you can see, it's still snowing. Pretty good too. This is my work plow truck. We're gonna go check out, I'm gonna go plow a little bit, just do a little cleanup. Haven't got this thing out here yet this winter, so this is gonna be my first round in the snowplow truck. See how it goes. All right, so plowing is all done for the day, and truck's parked underneath so the snow doesn't get on it, and I'm done. All right, so it's lunchtime. I'm gonna go get myself some lunch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat, but go get me some lunch, then I'll probably have to go back to work, but we'll just see. So I'm home for lunch, and let's check out what I'll be eating for lunch today. No other than good old Subways. Yep, eat fresh. Let's check it out. So what we got here is we got a spicy Italian on Italian herb and cheese. Oh my, with lettuce, onions, peppers, and mayo. Oh yeah. All right, so it's nice and warmed up. I think I'm gonna go take it for a little spin. All right, well, I guess it's time to take this baby out on the road and see how she's running. It is a little cold and it is snowing, but that's what's going to make it fun. So let's see how that works. Got my helmet on, safety first. Let's roll. Yeah, you know, I'm not too sure why I decided to do that on a wintry day, but I did it. Look at that. It is cold outside, but I was warm. Got a little bit of footage of that. And that's about it for the scooter stuff. Yeah. Alright everybody, I'm going to end the vlog right there. I appreciate you stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below and let me know what you thought. If you're new here, please hit that red button. And there's a squirrel. Here, squirrel. Come here, squirrel. A squirrel. Anyways, where was I? Got distracted by a squirrel. Anyway, yeah, so what was it? Oh yeah, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment down below, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Keep doing what you love and keep loving what you do. Peace. I'll see you next time.